Hi. This video is for brand new ukers. When someone comes to one of our practices, we typically give them some songs, some easy songs to take home and practice with. And I don't know how hard or easy it is for them to practice. It may not be that easy. So Down in the Valley is one of the songs we give. In this video, I'm going to play some verses to Down in the Valley and sing slowly for you to play along with if you're a new euchre. Before that, I will just review some of the things that you probably heard in the first session. Your uke has strings. And when we're talking about the strings, we might talk about the 1 string. We talk 2, 3, and 4. 1 is, think they're ordered like the floors of a building. So 1 is the bottom one, 2 is the next, 3 is the next, 4 is the top string, if we're talking strings. Perpendicular to the strings, these lines are called frets. And we number them too. This is the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. For what you're doing now, you don't need to go worry about beyond that, but you can guess what the other ones are called. To fret, when I tell you to fret something, say I'll tell you to fret the 1st string at the 3rd fret. What I want you to do is, here's fret 1, here's the 1st string, here's string 1. Here's fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. To fret the 1st string at the 3rd fret, I would press the string just behind the fret. And then you will pluck it to get a sound. If I tell you to press the 2nd string at the 3rd fret, that would be this guy. Different pitch. We press just behind the fret. If we pressed on the fret, the flesh of our finger really dulls the sound. So you want to get behind so that the string is just resting on the fret and your finger is not below. Sometimes we'll just say play the open string. That means don't play anything. If I tell you to play string 3, the open string, oops, that was string 2. String 3 is this one. Open string is no fret. If I tell you 1st fret, fret it at the 1st fret. I want to be here. As we move up the frets, the pitch goes up, you can hear. You're shortening the strings. They vibrate faster, higher pitches. So back to this, we have a single note here. What we're typically playing with songs like Down in the Valley here, when you start out, is you're playing a bunch of strings. That is called a chord. Single string, a note, single pitch, a note, several pitches, a chord. This particular chord is the C chord. Not all combinations of pitches sound good. For example, let's try this. Not very good. But this guy that we were playing before, pretty good. Chords have names. This particular shape, fretting the 1 string at the 3rd fret, is called a C chord. And we play a lot of it because it sounds good, because it's easy. We pick songs that have C in it, and we like to start out with C quite a bit. You will be happy to hear. Not all chords are so easy, though. Down in the Valley has one other chord, just one, but it's I'll admit it's not as easy as the C, unfortunately. It is G7, and to play it, you will take that finger on the first and move it up to the second fret, and then take your, like for me, I'm using my ring finger. That works best for this particular thing. We all have different sized hands, and your ukes will be slightly different sizes, so you may have to see what works for you. But I think for most of us, we play C usually with our ring finger. So to get to the G7, move that ring finger or whatever up one, then fret the 2 string at the first fret, fret the 3 string with your middle finger at the second fret, and you get this. That sounds okay. It's a little different. The C was this. So they sound somewhat different. Both sound fairly pleasing. And all this song does is it goes back and forth between C and G7. C, G7. But you have 2 hands and they're both busy. So your other hand will be strumming. Some of us strum with our fingers, which I kind of prefer. Some people strum with their thumbs. Both work. I feel like the finger is going to give you more options in the future. That's how I look at it. But either works. So I will start out very slowly. Oh, yeah, I'll start out very slowly. And we count. So this song, Down in the Valley, is in 3/4 time, which means waltz time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you'll be strumming on those beats to start out. So you'll go strum 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's start out really slow, and maybe you can play along. It's hard. All of us had a hard time at the start switching. You're counting 1, 2, 3, and you're trying at one point to switch smoothly from the C to the G7 and then back to the C. All of us had a hard time with that at first. But anyway, I'll start slowly. So let's just start strumming on C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down in the valley so low, late in the evening, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, love, hear the wind blow. up a little bit. Write me a letter, send it by mail, send it in care of Birmingham Jail, Birmingham Jail, dear, Birmingham Jail. Send it in care of Birmingham Jail. It's Peter. Reading this letter with but 3 lines. Answer my question. Will you be mine? Will you be mine, dear? Will you be mine? Answer my question. Will you be mine? We'll speed up a little bit again. And if this is too fast, you could just strum once on each, you could just strum on the 1 of each measure. I'll start out that and focus on getting your chords in, so I'll try that here. 1, 2, 3. Roses love sunshine, violets love dew, angels in heaven know I love you, know I love you, dear, know I love you. Angels in heaven know I love you. Down in the valley, valley so low, late in the evening, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, love, hear the wind blow, late in the evening, hear the wind blow. So note that I messed up once or twice in there. We all do. Just try to keep going. I'll have another one of these soon, hopefully. Probably The Wheels on the Bus would be a good one in 4/4. I'll see you then.